Hello， 大家好。Today we're going to learn about greetings and time in Chinese. 一起来学习问候和时间的中文吧。Hello and hi would be 你好，你好。And to greet people, you can also ask, how are you? 你好吗？你好吗？ To answer that, you can say, I'm great. 我很好，我很好。If you are meeting in the morning, you can say good morning, 早上好，早上好。And in the morning, we'll have breakfast, 早餐，早餐。My favorite breakfast is yogurt with granola. How about you? And in the middle of the day, we'll have lunch, 午餐，午餐。Do you bring lunchbox to school, or do you have lunch in the canteen? In the afternoon, we'll say good afternoon, 下午好，下午好。And we also like to have some snack in the afternoon, 零食，零食。In the evening, you can say good evening, 晚上好，晚上好。And if we're talking about the evening on today, we'll say tonight, 今晚，今晚。And in the evening, the meal we have is called dinner, 晚餐，晚餐。After dinner, it's time for bed, and we'll say good night, 晚安，晚安。When you like to have someone's attention, you can say, excuse me, 不好意思，不好意思。And thank you would be 谢谢，谢谢。And when you've done something wrong or you've made a mistake, you can say sorry, 对不起，对不起。When you meet someone the first time, you can say, nice to meet you. 很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你。And you can say, I love you to people you love. 我爱你，我爱你。And if you meet someone, you can say, I miss you. 我想你，我想你。When someone looks sad, you can ask, Are you okay? 你还好吗？你还好吗？ Now let's learn some words about time. Today is 今天，今天。And the day before today would be yesterday, 昨天，昨天。And the day after today is tomorrow, 明天，明天。Birthday, 生日，生日。When is your birthday? And if today is your birthday, you can say, Today is my birthday. 今天是我的生日，今天是我的生日。And if you meet someone on his birthday, you can say, Happy birthday! 生日快乐，生日快乐。Now let's learn about the 7 days of the week. The first day is Monday, 周一，周一。After Monday, that would be Tuesday, 周二，周二。And then that would be Wednesday, 周三，周三。After Wednesday, that would be Thursday, 周四，周四。And after that, the day would be Friday, 周五，周五。And the next day is Saturday, 周六，周六。And the last day of the week is Sunday, 周日，周日。From Monday to Friday, we call it weekday, 工作日工作日 It usually means the days we work. And for Saturday and Sunday, we call it weekend. 周末周末 If you'd like to ask what day is it today, you can say 今天是周几今天是周几 And to answer that, you can say today is Monday. 今天是周一今天是周一 And you can change, it depends on the day. And tomorrow is Tuesday. 明天是周二明天是周二 What would be yesterday then? Yesterday was Sunday. 昨天是周日昨天是周日 And there is a day that we all like. It's holiday. 假日假日 Where are you going for your holiday next time? Now it's time to say bye. 再见再见 Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to repeat after me and see you next time. 再见